Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the Purdue University Career Research Portal. This tutorial will show you how to access the Career Research Portal and what kind of information is available. To access the Career Research Portal, visit career.lib.purdue.edu or from the CCO's webpage under the Students menu. The Career Research Portal contains resources organized to help guide you through the career search process, whether you're browsing job postings, preparing for an important interview, or negotiating a job offer. From the homepage, you can access career events and career information, explore career planning guides and relocation resources, consider diversity resources or employment abroad, search internships, jobs by discipline, and international student resources. And finally, land the job by perfecting your interview skills and doing thorough employer and company research. You can also easily access the Center for Career Opportunities or the Purdue University Library's homepages using these buttons. Let's take a look at the resources available in the Explore stage. On this page, resources are broken down by discipline so you can find exactly what you're looking for. This is different from job board listings and instead has information on careers in each discipline. We also list career planning guides and relocation resources. In the Consider stage, we encourage job seekers to consider diversity resources and employment abroad for those who would like to research working in another country. In the Search stage, you'll find the actual job boards as well as information on internships and resources for international students hoping to stay in the U.S. with an H-1 visa. Resources found on the Land the Job page help you to actually get the job you're looking for. Conducting comprehensive background research on a company and position can help you stand out in the candidate pool in a competitive job market. This chart can help you determine which databases to use based on the information you're looking for. In the Employer Research section, we also include a guide specifically for anyone looking to work in the nonprofit sector, as those companies do not show up in the regular business databases. You'll also find resources for employer research and salary data, as well as interview and resume resources. We also list career databases that you can use to determine what you want in your career and how to achieve it. Remember, recruiters want to see that you've done your research on their company, so be sure to take a look at their company website, look up recent news, and take a look at some company and industry reports. Once you have a job offer, dig deeper and look at company comparisons, SWOT analyses, and look at the cost of living if the position involves relocation. Now you know how to access the Purdue University Career Research Portal and what kind of information is available. If you have any questions, please contact us at peerlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.